So I sort of fell doing my first time with sandboarding. This is how it happened. Basically something that's like snowboarding, but it's called sandboarding. But I promise you, it's much cooler than going to your neighborhood gym. It is such an exclusive thing to this country to be able to do something like that. And the thing is, it's so exciting because you can like do it near the camp or really deep in the desert. Obviously, keep in mind the clothes you're wearing. Like I came a little bit fancy like because I'm gonna be on a camera, and I regretted that now a little bit. The drivers, the guys with us, they sort of helped us with everything. I mean, honestly, they were there. The water's cold in the middle of the heat. It's just such a full premium experience overall, you know? I feel alive right now. Exhausted, but alive!
To book your tickets, click the link below.